Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Little corner of Macau, just to give a little context of the whole Macau. It's way up at the top, really close to the border. So if we were to continue walking that way, we would go directly to the border, which is like, you can kind of see some little stuff over there. Looks like they're all looking at the construction part. So we're gonna do that as well. So now we can see. So it looks like they're building something kind of deep, so that probably implies a building of some kind. So yeah, this whole... That'll look nice later on. That's all that construction right there. That's all Macau Aeropreta area. And then this is also this the land space between. So this is on the Macau side. And then they're building some other bridges over here, and then this whole side is all this construction. I haven't filmed over here in quite a while, but this is the that is the bridge that goes to Hong Kong and Taipa, and they're building a lot of stuff all along the waterfront. So we're gonna go over that space, and then this bridge right here is new. I haven't filmed it. It maybe came about 6 months ago. And then there's some new apartments straight ahead too. They still have the scaffolding. So this whole area is being built quite a bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to that side and try to walk down that side of that street and film a little bit. Show you what it looks like in 2024 with all the changes. So stay tuned, and in a moment we'll be over on that side. Checking it all out. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So there's a sign right there. It says Avenida de Ponte de Amizade. So I'm going to try to get across to that other side. But there's a sign at least. All that traffic. So stay tuned, we'll get on the other side. Cookie Cream Restaurant, okay. All right, so let's catch a bridge and we're gonna try to get over to the other side. This is Parola Oriental Pearl Street, right next to the Crown Plaza. I don't know if I filmed this street looking quite like this before. It's like a lot of stuff that I should probably film, but I'm still trying to get over to that side over there. I want to see what that's all about. So many distractions, so many interesting stuff to capture. So here's Crown Plaza Hotel anyways. And I'm still going to try to get over to the other side. Crown Plaza. That's the hotel. Yeah, I'm still trying to get over there. If I can get over there, it looks like it's going to look kind of cool. I see a bridge way down there, so it's all right. You can see both sides of the street. Okay, I'm still walking on this side. There's just lots of interesting stuff. I just haven't filmed over here in a while, but you can see supermarkets, a whole little row of stuff. Yeah, our bridge is right over there, so I'm gonna show you from up top, and then we're gonna get over to the other side and film and try to see what all the construction is all about. So that's the bridge that we're going to be up on in a moment, but just to give you a little context, this is basically where we're trying to go, is this little corner of Macau. Just to give a little context of the whole Macau, it's way up at the top, really close to the border. So if we were to continue walking that way, we would go directly to the border, which is like, you can kind of see some little stuff over there, like in the distance. Well, actually, all those buildings over there are all Zhuhai. That's all Zhuhai, China side. So, so we're on this avenue of the bridge and Friendship, the Friendship Bridge, and we're gonna go to get on the other side by going up over this bridge. Some basketball stuff and soccer stuff. nice apartment buildings right there. And now finally we're on our bridge that goes across. And it's funny, I don't think I've never walked over this bridge my 11 years in Macau. The main reason being is that there wasn't any need to go over, because in the past there wasn't so much interesting stuff like what you'll see now. But we will show you what's on the bridge. So yeah, so this is the bridge that goes to the border, and all those buildings over in the distance are all part of Zhuhai, China. And then they are building a lot of I don't know if that's going to be a road exactly. Then we have the other side too. So this is the street that we were walking down a little while ago. And our plan is to go down this one and kind of give an idea of all the construction and such that's going on in here. As well as all the stuff that's going on here. So it looks like what I'm seeing is looks like that's a bridge, a small tiny bridge road that kind of connects with these. And so before this was all ocean, and now they're expanding it out a little bit. So I don't know if they're building more apartments or if it's going to be for roads. Just don't know. But we're going to walk down this way and try to capture. Let me kind of see. Looks like they're all looking at the construction part. So we're going to do that as well. So now we can see. So it looks like they're building something kind of deep, so that probably implies a building of some kind. So yeah, this whole stretch right here is going to be all built up. And I'm kind of curious. I think this is all Zhuhai, China, and then there's like some grass right there. I think that's the bridge that connects Zhuhai with Hong Kong and Macau, I think. So the next time we come down, this will probably be all totally different. We'll see what it all looks like. Okay, so let's walk down more. That's interesting that they're going down that way. I think they're going to the border, so I think that they're walking. Let me just kind of see. So I guess they're walking down this sidewalk to the border. Okay, that makes sense. Usually people walk the other way historically, traditionally. Yeah, actually, so they have some chairs right here. So these chairs are all blocked now, but I think in the past this would overlook the ocean. But obviously now that's all different. So what I'm gonna do is we kind of get an idea. So I'm gonna that's the Crown Plaza right over there. So we walked on the other side of the street earlier, and I'm just gonna walk down quite a bit further, and then we're going to see what it looks like when we get another opening. You can see all the construction to the left. So someday this will all be a completely different look. And there's the Crown Plaza Hotel to the right. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera up over there somewhere. So we're just getting some continual glimpses of all the stuff that they're building right there. So I just kind of came down, I was just over there a minute ago. But I just want to give a little bit of a 360. So yeah, this road is changing quite a bit. And that's the Crown Plaza Hotel to the right, and it looks like we're gonna get some more of our blockage over here. So I'm gonna turn the camera off until we get to the other side of all this green covered space. Crown Plaza. So there's an entrance right here, Crown Plaza entrance for big vehicles. And then now you can see there's a lot more of our green space. So we're gonna go a little bit further. There's the Crown Plaza right there. There's the Crown Plaza. So stay tuned still. So now we can see some more of what they're, so it looks like they're building a giant wall right there too. Cranes, bathroom, construction. Crown Plaza. Okay. And then you can see this bridge that says to Taipa. So this road would follow all the way to Taipa. There's a big bridge. So I don't know, there's all these people. I'm not exactly sure where they're walking to and from, but we're gonna find that out in a moment as well. But they definitely look like they're coming from the mainland, but I don't know like why they're coming from this way. And then over here, we're gonna walk over this direction here. There's some exercise equipment, which I think has been there for a while. Because I remember I used to always see people exercising overlooking the ocean. Of course now they cannot. And I couldn't tell you what this is. It says passengers for the reservation reservoir. So I think that this might go underneath. I don't know. We'll just keep on going straight though. But I think in time we'll have a better idea of what it looks like. It's actually a public toilet right there. So all these people are walking from the bridge to Hong Kong. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna come over and take a look and see where they might be just construction workers just getting out of work. For all I know, it is a Saturday. So yeah, look at it, it's just like streams of people all across the bridge. And this is called Avenida Dr. Mamai Mankai. This goes all the way down. So I don't know. So our road would continue going down that way, and then it turns into a bridge, and it would just follow all the way down. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a separate video where I walk up this whole space up here. But this will be the end of our street, and I'll do another one to this Avenida Maiman Kai. So stay tuned. Hope that was kind of interesting. So we'll see what that looks like in the future. But let me take a look over here real quick. So this is something that they're building that we're gonna see in the future what it is all about exactly. There's a little bit of sand right there. I think that's China side right there, so you can see like a little immigration thing. So I think they're looking for people that might run across illegally. That's all Zhuhai, China, all those buildings over there. And then also way down there, there's another, people are also walking that way. That goes towards Taipa. It's a bridge that goes to Taipa, but this one is the bridge that goes to Hong Kong and Zhuhai. That'll look nice later on. That's all that construction right there. That's all Macau Aeropreta area. And then this is also this the land space between. So this is on the Macau side, and then they're building some other bridges over here, and then this whole side is all this construction. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.